Right here, we got the JB Who electronic ear cleaner with irrigation system. This thing relieves your impacted ear, minimizes the risk of infection. No pain, no side effects. Boom! So right here, this is how you use it. Step 1, use warm water at body temperature or 37 degrees Celsius. Step 2, attach one-time use ear tip. Step 3, place the basin under the ear for irrigation. Step 4, move in a circular way to increase the cleaning effect. Step 5, the blockage is gone, finish irrigation. Let's open it up and see what we get inside. Boom, 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 whoa! Check out the unit right here. This is what you get, the JB Who. Right here, you have the USB-C charging. This thing takes about 4 hours to charge and it lasts up to 8 hours of continuous use. You have the power button right here. So here's your bin where you fill this up with water right here. Please use warm water. Once you fill this thing with water, go ahead and put this right in here and twist this up. You can go ahead and push the power button. Push and hold the power button turns on. You see you have a little light right here so you can see what's going on. You also get the included USB-A to USB-C charging cable right here. You also have a bunch of tips right here. You have all these tips right here. We're just gonna use one of them. Grab this tip right here and put it into the unit. You go ahead and twist it in right there and it holds in solid. Of course, you got the user manual here as well in case you need any help. So let me load this up with water and I'll show you how it works. Then we got some water inside. Go ahead and put the unit together. This little shield actually acts as a magnifier. You see right here, it magnifies what you see so you can see better. This is a magnifying lens right here. Normal size, magnify. Very cool, right? All right, so once you're ready to go, select your mode and push the power button one more time and you'll hear the pump and there's how it will push water out. And as you see, it's a very nice pulse. If you change to the mode right now, you're in the normal mode. I'll go ahead and change to the soft mode. This is a soft mode. That's the soft mode right there. You see the jetting of the water. This is in soft mode. You push it again. Now you're in pulsing mode. You hear that? There's definitely some pulsing to it. And then there's a strong mode. You're pushing the cycle mode right here. So let's press cycle mode one more time to go to strong mode. This is a strong mode. Oh yeah, that's a lot of water jetting out right there. That's a strong mode right there. So again, let's go through the different modes. We got the normal mode right there. Nice and easy. Your normal mode right there. Push it again. That's your soft mode right here. Here's your soft mode. Push again. This is your pulsing mode. And push again. This is your strong mode. Right there. And remember, use warm water. And that's how the JB Who works. Pretty cool, right? Normal mode, soft mode, pulse mode, pulse, and the strong mode. There we go, guys. That's how you're gonna be able to clean your ear with this irrigation system. Oh yeah.